We're just in the process of starting a gasifier. We started a few pellets in there to get the fire going. What we have here is a combustion chamber right in here. This is where we will be able to light the pellets when the stove is operational. This is our small squirrel cage fan that'll feed the air into the combustion chamber. After these pellets get going, we have a bunch of holes on the top here which will actually burn the secondary combustion. The smoke coming out of the pellets will be converted into methane, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen, and it'll actually burn it a lot hotter. This is the pellet drop here. When it's sitting in the box, you'll be able to drop the pellets down and keep feeding the fire. So we're just going to wait for the pellets to get fired up, and then we'll hit the air and see what happens. Well, here we go. The pot's burning. Try to get a down shot here. You can see that the flame is going in a circular motion as it comes to the top. You can see where it's being burned off. Increases the temperature. It's about 330 degrees on the outside of the inside of the pot on the top edge. Measuring it with the laser. We think it's working the way it was designed. You can see that the flame is actually twirling down in the bottom there. We added a few pellets here. It's just coming to the top of the burner, and that's where we're burning off the gas. If I shut the air down, you can see where the flame for the air is coming into the chamber. I think it's going to work good. I think it's on the right track. Well, the next step in the process is to measure the amount of heat that's hitting the top of the heat exchanger, which is right up here. We have a laser temperature sensor that we can point, and it'll automatically give us the temperature. Right now we're just starting the pellets up. We haven't got the combustion fan going, but once it gets up to that temperature, we'll kick the fan on and do some measurements. Well, here we are testing the burner, the gasifier. We did make some adjustments on the burner inside the pot. I think we're in pretty good now. What I have here is a laser temperature device that when I point it, I get a laser and it'll automatically read the temperature. What I'm trying to do is adjust the pot here to see how hot we can get this heat exchanger, how far we have to have the distance from the flame to the top of that. Let's check this here and see what we got. We're running at 278 degrees on the heat exchanger. On the side of the pipe here, we're running 466. On the inside of the burner, we're running 389. So I think basically it's running pretty efficient, but time will tell. We still have an ash problem.